Diana from Andy Factory. Today's unboxing is about Moncler and is the slim fit shell hoodie down jacket, and it has 6 sizes. Actually, this is size 3 I prepared today, and next part is a short introduction, so if you're interested in, keep watching, don't move. Dear, this is a short introduction and about this jacket. It's very warm when the temperatures drop and is hand wash and made from the lightweight shell, coated and filled with the down material, so that's very warm. And it has the adjustable snake cuff, fastening cuff here, and I will show you in the detail part also. It has 2 big pockets and enough to keep in your phone, your keys, and etc. And it's very safe. Also, it has the detachable, as you can see that, so that you can use it as the weather indicates. Then I will show you in the detail part. Now dear, I will show you our high quality package. I will show you. First is the dust bag here. This is the back of it. You can see that it's very big enough and it can protect our jacket well when you do not wear it. Okay, when I touch it, I can really feel that it's in good quality. And also we have the high quality original box and shopping bag. I will show you. This is the original box. And here this is the back. So I do think that is a little luxury, and also the shopping bag here. So much for today's unboxing for this Moncler jacket today. Thanks very much for your tuning in and watching. I think I hope that is useful for you. Just contact me, my Instagram or WhatsApp. I'm always here. Anyway, wish you have a sweet dreams. Have a nice day. Bye bye.